know, I really don't like drawing that much attention to myself, which doesn't really make sense because we got a new exhaust. Are they really gonna be that loud this entire time we're filming, bro? You know what? Just give me a second, bro. I'm gonna wait until they finish up. Alright. I took a poo and they are gone. So, back to my point. We got, what the hell, dude? Wait, why is it? Oh, it's hella small. What the hell? Yeah, so I don't like drawing that much attention to myself. And so all my life, well, not all my life because I didn't have a car all my life. My point is, I've always been against super loud exhausts because, not because I don't like the way it sounds, but more so because of the attention it brings onto you. And yeah, so I have the Goodwin Super Q exhaust installed on this car, but truth be told, it's disgustingly boring. I don't know why. It's just like, I just want the car to be louder, and I've decided that I want to live the way I want to live. I don't want to let other people dictate how I live my life. And, oh shit. No, bruh. So yeah, speaking of not liking to draw attention, I got recognized the other week for the very first time, and it was traumatizing because, first of all, listen, like, I don't show my face on the channel, and we only have like 19,000 subscribers, and so to me, in my mind, there was just no chance in heaven that I was ever gonna get recognized in public. So when this guy did, I kind of froze, and I didn't know whether I was supposed to say thank you for watching, or like I didn't even know if he was a hater or he was a subscriber or he just recognized me from the videos. Like, I don't know, like it was just super awkward and I didn't know how to respond. And so if you're watching this, bro, I'm sorry for not being very sociable and being a little awkward. I just you know, like, dude, like, it's just like, if you're watching this video, please comment and let me know your name, because I actually, yeah, I wish dude, this is always so scary to me. I don't know why. Come on. Yeah. So from that experience of being recognized in public, I actually had an epiphany. And the epiphany is that you guys are real people. I know that sounds really messed up, but like, if you just think about just randomly uploading videos on the internet and all you see are just numbers and comments with no faces on them, it just, like, you know, it just doesn't feel real. It was just an interesting thing where I kind of realized that, one, I have a YouTube channel and real people watch these videos. And I should probably post more. Just put my life out there, you know? Just draw attention to myself. And so as a symbolic representation, I'm gonna put that loud ass exhaust on this car and draw more attention to myself. Wait, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Okay, so it's, oh god. Okay, so the stud is stuck on the exhaust again, and last time I had to take this entire freaking exhaust to the mechanic to have this really buff guy take out the stud, but we're just gonna hope that I can take it out this time. So if you're curious of what it's supposed to look like, is it's supposed to come out like this, but come on. It's just not gonna come off. It's not gonna come off. This is literally why I don't work on cars. You guys need to stop telling me to work on my own car. Like, what's the point in buying all this shit? Like, okay, let me show you something, right? I got these 10mm spacers. I got the extended stud kit. Rear's on 15 millimeters right now. This is on 10 millimeters. I take the wheel out. I take this brake caliper out. I take the rotor out, and then I get the fucking, I buy 2 different hammers, bro. Two different hammers. I get the factory studs out, and then the extended studs won't go in because there's not enough clearance, right? So I have to take the entire wheel hub bearing out. And in order to do that, I need more tools. Bro, if you just take all the money I spent on tools, I could just get all this shit done. Okay, grip that shit tight, Harrison. Grip that shit tight. Fuck you. Yeah, just work on your car, Harrison. Work on your own car. I just want to take this time to apologize to Jasper for copying his entire setup. I got the same tires as him. This is the same exact exhaust that Jasper has.
But you copied me, man. You're a copycat. You got the same car as me. Got the same lug nuts, the same tires.
I feel like the case for like modifying ND Miatas is kind of the same as modifying a BMW, right? It's just everyone does the same thing. Everyone gets a downpipe and a tune and maybe like an Auto Solutions shifter and all of that. And it's the same case. Fucking why won't that shit go in, dude? Ow. Ow. You know, don't let anyone pressure you into working on your own car, bro. Because realistically, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. The people who say, oh, it's so gratifying, it's so satisfying, are the people who just want to jerk off their own intellect and their capabilities. Like, I get it, dude. If you want to work on your car, I'm sure you can figure it out and you can get it done. But like, realistically, every single job requires like a different set of tools. Every single job gets me injured. Okay. Fuck. Ow. Ouch, Charlie. Oh, God. I freaking... Wait, it's not loud at all, dude. Wait a minute. That's more like it. That's more like it. Let me just see if I'm feeling this right, okay? This thing is 14 pounds, gains 8 horsepower. My old exhaust weighs 22 pounds, and there's no horsepower gain. Oh, it's just 5 pound-feet of torque. Okay, so I don't know if this is just the placebo effect, or I'm actually feeling this correctly. So we're just gonna, hold on. Yeah, it feels faster. You know, maybe it just feels faster because the exhaust is louder, and so I'm just feeling more of a sensation of speed, but like, it feels like it's got more horsepower, dude. It's faster. It's faster. All right. I forgot my hat. I'm sorry for the audio for the majority of this video. Hold on. Let's see if this camera stays in. Of course not. I'd like to take this time to address the allegations that Sarah and I broke up. I don't know who the hell started that rumor, but there's some high school kids and we don't want to film their faces because they're minors. Say hi to my ex-girlfriend, apparently.
I'm his new girl.
Yeah, this is my new girl. What do you think of the new exhaust, baby?
Wait, it's not that loud.
Right?
Huh. I was expecting it to be loud. Ooh, it sounds nice though.
Here, I'll...
Ooh.
Terrorizing the neighborhood.
It sounds nice. This
Yeah?
is so much better.
Yeah? Hey, can you
Yeah.
film your face a little bit so I can get some views? There you go. No, just face it towards you. Yeah. No, not me.
No, it's gotta be us.
No. Do you think I can just start filming like that?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Can you not cover your face so I can get some views? Okay, now we're really
Do you have
late.
your coffee?
Yeah, I did. You didn't have your coffee?
I didn't have time to have coffee.
I didn't have time to have coffee either. Speaking of coffee, I'm not telling you. Yo, so I did the Jazz seat lowering bracket, and I also got the steering wheel spacer. Wait, film the steering wheel spacer for me. So now, fuck, there's people. Now, it's really hard for me to reach the turn signal. That's...
Wait, you could just show them on this side.
That's what I'm saying. Like, look.
No, on this side.
Oh, yeah. It's really far.
And your hands are big.
You know what they say about big hands?
Uh-huh.
My mom watches these videos, man.
You're definitely not putting that in
You
there.
can't say that.
You can't say that. It's 3:15.
I don't know. What the fuck is going on? Alright, so we're gonna go watch Project Hail Mary, and I'll let you know how it is.